I want to ride my bicycle, I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle, I want to ride my bike. Hello people, and welcome to another vlog in Sweden. It's pretty good. I'm being pretty wary of where I stand because I just heard a snake and I don't really want to stand on one. This here is where I like to chill and just look out. So lovely here. There's dragonflies, there's all kinds of birds, there's snakes, there's toads everywhere. Also, Krista is coming. 3 days from now, she's coming for the last 3 days. Yo, so I'm back from the woods and we're just about to go on the boat in the lake. Maybe that's what they're doing. They're just looking, they're like, oh, they have food. So we went on the boat and I jumped off and swam the rest of the way. Humongous skip to the end of the day. I don't know what's happening. It's like, I don't know, 3 o'clock in the morning and the lightning and thunder is just so loud I can't sleep. I'm reading The Fourth Dimension by Rudy Rucker. And it's very good. Very, very good. I think anyone who's interested in dimensions and quantum physics should definitely give it a go. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's pretty crazy. Here we are. That's the end of the vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe, like the Facebook page, follow the Instagram page because it's a big movement and it's gonna happen. Alrighty, see you later. Bye.